Hello everyone, I'm going to cook lauyang baboy or lauyang pork. It's very delicious. I put ginger and also lemongrass. Super yummy guys. This is the we call in the Philippines is pata pork or pata ng baboy. It's super yummy and I add this with unripe jackfruit. So, and I boiled. You have to try guys. See, look at that soya. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and then stir it the onions and also the garlic and ginger. You have to stir it well and add the ginger. When the ginger, the garlic is cooked, you have to add the pork legs. Kadadi. Pork legs, yeah, pork legs. And then you have to simmer it until the blood is out and stir it. And this guys, you have to add this, like at least you boil this like more than 1 hour. If you have pressure cooker, you can boil it 30 minutes. So I have pressure cooker, but I don't use it. It's brand new. I'm scared, kind of like scared. So as you can see, I keep turning, and then I leave it and simmer it until get dry and to get rid of the smell of the pork. Until the blood and turn brown, the meat. But by the way, before I put the one, I already put salt or pork and beef powder on it and black pepper. So guys, it's ready to put the water. As you can see, it's no more blood, and I fill up the water of the pot. So if you think the meat, I boiled it is 1 hour, but if you think the meat is not really soft yet, then you have to add more water. If that is not enough, the meat is not soft, then the water is turned dry, then you have to add more water until the meat is soft and boiling it. And you have to add salt. You have to estimate the salt, making sure it's not gonna salty. So as you can see guys, and then I boil it like at least more than 1 hour. And what I said, if pressure cooker only 30 minutes, and add like fish sauce or patis. It's like 1 tablespoon, and also the lemongrass or tanglad. It's up to you, but I add ginger and lemongrass so to get rid of the smell of the pork. Let boiling and let simmer it. So as you can see, I taste the soup and boiling until the meat is soup, and I have a can jackfruit, unripe jackfruit, I add that 2 cans. The jackfruit is already like boiled, and then you have to add and simmer together with the, boil it together with the meat. Now you have to simmer it, guys, until the vegetable, the jackfruit, and the meat is soaked. You have to stir it, and it's up to you if you add to more seasoning or other vegetable, but just jackfruit I add. We call this in the Philippines is Lauya. Lauya. So every people is have own recipe, and I have like 1 and 1/2 beef stock or beef powder. It's kind of like a magic, beef powder is like magic syrup. If you have what you call pork powder or whatever, or beef powder, and I put like maybe half teaspoon of sweet and low sugar or sugar, so to make a taste. So the meat is, look, it's soft now, so keep more boiling. So it's really good, right? Please subscribe, like, and share, and thank you so much. And don't forget to post the notification bell. That is onion leaves, that is optional only, and chili, green chili, optional. It's up to you, or bell pepper if you want to. So shout out to all my co-YouTuber. Thank you for visiting my channel, and also my silent viewers. Thank you so much. And to all idol and who are visiting my channel, please like, share, and don't forget to leave the comments and subscribe. And don't forget to post the notification bell. Every time I upload my video, you always updated, and you have to click all. So now the lauya or beef, the pork pata or pork legs is ready to serve or cook already and soup. So enjoy, and thank you so much for watching and visiting my channel, and subscribe, like, and leave comment. Thank you all for watching my video all the time and visiting my channel. Thank you so much. And to all my supporter, and to all my silent viewers, subscriber, thank you so much. And thank you to all my co-YouTuber, to those who are visiting my channel. Thank you so much. And see you in the next video. God bless, and I love you all, and keep and good luck all of us. Thank you so much. Bye.